Hello everyone, and thanks for watching. This is your 5-minute edge on how to serve the whole child and whole family. This video was made possible through a partnership between the Wisconsin After School Network and the Wisconsin Department of Children and Families. I'm Nancy Parcher, Community Health Worker Supervisor with the La Crosse Area Family YMCA. I'm so excited to talk to you today about community health workers, the impact they have, and the difference you can make. As a youth-serving organization or an after-school program, you might not have thought about adding questions to your enrollment process that help assess the child and family's access to resources such as food, housing, or health care. But having this information can help you determine how to best serve the family. This information gives you context related to what kind of challenges a family might be experiencing, as well as the strengths they have. If you have never done an enrollment interview before, here is a simple way to break it down. The first step to this process is gathering enough information about the family or client ahead of time. Someone may have referred them, such as a school social worker or sports coach, and may have valuable information like living arrangements or cultural background that will be helpful for you to know. Speaking to that source will be a helpful way to get to know the whole family. Getting to know the background will help the CHW know which topics to discuss and which may be sensitive. The family may have recently experienced trauma, so having a CHW trained in trauma-informed care practices will be important. If English isn't their preferred language, having a CHW who is bilingual or having a translator will also be helpful. Think about meeting in a neutral setting while also creating privacy is another key piece, along with making sure it is a culturally safe place for them. Consider having food or snacks available as a way to create a welcoming environment for the client and a great way to make a personal connection when you first meet. Remember, they don't know you and you are building trust with them. Have forms ready for initial assessment to capture contact information including phone numbers, email addresses, and emergency contact information. Have spaces available to add family members, their dates of birth, preferred language, and their living arrangements. Assure the family that they don't need to offer any information that they aren't comfortable sharing. You will build trust with them over time, and they may share more when they are ready. Have questionnaires that include information about social determinants of health. These could include questions about housing, food access, whether they have a primary care physician or medical home, what school their children attend, if they have income from employment or Social Security, do they have insurance, what does transportation look like for them, do they have any chronic conditions or other medical concerns, how is their mental health, are they experiencing recent trauma or abuse? And do they have any legal issues that need to be resolved? Your local shelters and charities may already have these forms available. You can find these online or just create your own. Now you are ready to meet with your clients.